Name the India's first artificial satellite.
Aryabhat. I don't the name is
Right.
exactly pronounced, but it's like that.
Others, Aryan, your voice is not clear, beta. Try to speak in front of your mic. Aryan,
Hello.
hmm,
Can I ask the next question?
Yes, your voice is not coming, but your voice is
I can't understand what you're saying.
Can you hear me now? Hello? Hello?
yes, your voice is coming now.
Okay. Pankaj Sahil, Malik sir.
Yeah, Malik sir join soon, beto. You have any question you can talk with na? Sonakshi.
Sonakshi.
Aryan.
Aryan,
Yes.
I'm able to hear you.
Yes.
So, name the technique of collecting the information about the Earth from an orbiting satellite. Do you know the answer of this question?
Your voice is coming
Other
between.
Aryan join, rejoin your classes and you can switch off your tablet. Your tablet voice is coming now.
No, the tablet is not on.
Oh no, what happened?
Yes. Hello? 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 Can you hear my voice? Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Aryan, so my question, the technique of collecting information about the Earth from an orbiting satellite. Do you know the answer of this question? Aryan,
Yes. Yes. What were the last words? Uh,
name the technique of the
can
collecting information about the Earth from an orbiting satellite.
yes, I know the answer.
Tell me.
It was remote sensing.
Okay, right.
I think.
You are right.
Is it right?
Yes. Now you ask some question from me.
Okay. Uh, I have a question which I have made, but I will ask it when Malik sir will be there. Uh, like, why do stars glow? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Mm,
You can write the question in chat box. No? You can
Aaron, write the question in the chat box and I answer in the chat box.
yes, I have.
Aaron,
Yes. Mm,
shine. I'm right. In under the
yes,
okay. Can I repeat my answer?
but I didn't. Yes, repeat your answer.
Um, under the star core, hydrogen atoms smash together and forming helium and releasing huge amount of energy that heats the gas. This is called nuclear fusion, and it's why star shine. It also can say that a star shine because of the nuclear fusion. Okay.
And then what about the twinkling one?
Uh, your question is why the star twinkle?
Yes, why do stars twinkle and glow?
Due to the Earth's atmosphere. I'm correct. Due to the effects of Earth's atmosphere. Right, Aryan? Aryan? Hello.
Aryan, पता नहीं. We go to the bed 8 o'clock. No, that's why he's not interested. Maybe in the story.
Yes.
I written my answer in the chat box. You can see.
Sorry. But can you explain by mouth, like speaking, how it happens? Like the stars, light reaches Earth's atmosphere. Hello? Hello? Pasta? Are you there? Yes, sir, but when Malik sir will join. Okay. Yes. Sakshi, I have a question for you.
Okay. Tell the
Uh,
question.
this question I was asking to Malik sir today, but he is not there. This is right. C times D equals. I have made this. I made this. It means and that uh, I have made it and nobody knows. And this equals the C equals to circumference of the circle and the D equals to diameter of the circle and the A equals to the area of a circle. I have conducted or I have checked it many times. Most of the times it is succeeded. But you need what I call a calculator that calculates pi with many letters. or I currently
Yeah,
like that. My
Aryan, many
Hmm?
of glitch your
the
side. Your many of glitch. Your voice is not audible, Aryan. I don't know what happening.
Aryan, write your question in your in chat box.
okay.
पता नहीं नेटवर्क को क्या हो गया।
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I have a question which I have made, which is C times D equals to A. Is this right? Sir,
No, Aryan, for area of circle, this is means pi is needed to calculate the area of circle.
I knew that you were going to tell this. Let me take an example here. Let's take a circle of diameter 89. The circumference of the circle is radius times 2 times pi, which equals to 29.60, etc. And if I multiply it by 89, and then I get 24,884 point. And then if I divide it by uh, let's take its area, and circle's
Aryan,
area is
I can't understand your questions.
uh, it is simply in short form a circumference times multiply diameter is area.
Yes.
Have some
Do you,
ha-
do you know the formula of area of circle and perimeter?
yes, sir. Yes. No, it's called circumference. And
Sorry, yes.
is this?
Circumference and perimeter is circumference is also called perimeter of circle. Okay.
Yes. And
Hmm. So circumference of
is
area is
it on? Is this in your book? C times D equals to A.
c times d equals. Uh, this formula is not given in the book.
And I found in the
Just
creator of
just wait. I take an example and solve that it can prove or not.
first of all, with the circumference of the circle, which I'm calculated of an
2 pi
millimeter.
r into 22 by 7. Yes, multiply by 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals to 7. 7 7 cancel. 44 is the 44 multiplied by uh, 14. 44 multiplied by 14 is equal to, oh my god.
For me, it's a working equation that really works.
You can ask the question Aryan facts of universe na and science.
No, it's a purely
Let me prove
math.
your formula.
Yeah.
Here you need the values of all pi, like 3.141. But if you take three also, no, you will get the right answer. If you minus it by, then you will get 0. Like circumference of a 9 meter.
Aryan,
surface. Yes.
Aryan, just to take an example, so
Yes.
radius of circle is equal to 7.
Yes.
So the twice of radius equal to diameter.
Yes.
So equals to 14. Now circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r, 2 pi radius.
You just multiply it by 5.
Yes, 2
And then
multiply
you are
by
getting 42.
22 by 7 into 7.
Okay. I
7.
multiply it by pi. Pi. I multiply it by pi. And now,
Can I show my notebook to you?
yes.
Just wait.
I don't think that there is a way that you can that this equation that I made is wrong. Maybe 10 pi r. Okay.
No, sir. Just I'm rewrite my question to show Aryan. Yes, I am in 8th class.
Okay, sir. Sir, do you have a calculator which has all the values of pi, like 3.141592653, etc., and it goes on forever? Sir, do you have an calculator which has all the values of pi? Um,
Aryan, can I show my notebook to you?
yes.
Just yes. No. Blue pen. Just wait. Now you can see this is a circle, right?
Yes. Yes.
And its radius is 7 centimeter.
Okay.
So the circumference of circle is 2 pi r.
Yes.
So now we solve. We can see 2 multiplied by 22 by 7. The value of pi r is 22 by 7.
Or or else you can write it 3 also.
Why? Yes, I can
Yes,
write.
sir.
Not only 3.146.
Yes.
Okay, but I solve in this method. Now 22 multiplied by 2 is equal to 44 is the circumference of circle, right?
Yes.
Now area of circle is pi r square
Yes.
equals to 22 by 7 multiplied by 7 square,
Yes, sir.
and square of 7 is 49. Do you know?
Yes.
So now 7 divided by 49 at 7 times.
Okay.
So the area of circle is 154.
No, I don't think so. Wait.
Yes, the area of circle is 154. You can calculate.
My answer is voting.
Now, 44 is the our circumference and 14 is our diameter equals to 316. But you say circumference divided by diameter equals to area is not proved, right?
Divide by. Not divide by. Let me show you
Sorry,
my
equals to.
my.
You write this formula at the comment box, right? Hello, Aryan, is this right?
For my in my perspective, it's not right. If I let me do the calculation.
Okay.
हेलो पंकज जी नमस्ते नमस्ते ओके कैरी ऑन मैं बस देख रहा था मेरा आवाज समझ में आ रहा है हेलो एवरीबॉडी
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग व्हाट आर यू डिस्कसिंग अबाउट
So Aryan said and formula a formula, and he said that it is proved or not. So I am telling about this formula that it is
ओके
proved or
ओके
not.
कैरी ऑन
Hello Aryan, you can prove this formula taking
Yes.
another example.
Yes.
Okay, so how can you prove? You can share your screen or showing your notebook or switch on your camera.
But but when I was making this formula, I did it on paper, and it's too what I call uh, dirty.
Aryan,
Cause yes,
in which formula do you try? Give the exam. In which example do you try this formula? So give me the example. I can prove this is proved or not. Okay.
okay. You will need a calculator.
No, I don't need calculators. I can do in
Cause
my
the
notebook.
value of pi could be very long.
I know 3.146.
No, it's not. I think. Uh, it's
Ah,
3.15926.
oh right.
And if I show you
But
my
let me
screen, wait.
let me check by multiplying 22 by 7. Okay. Twenty two by 7. 22 multiplied by, divided by 7 equals to. Aryan,
Yes.
your answer is wrong. The value of pi is 3.142. I will share my screen.
Did you do it by 22 by 7?
Yes, I can show my calculator too.
It is,
See,
no, it is wrong. I tell you.
see 22 divided by
Uh,
7 equals to 3.142
let me
85714.
let me let tell you the real what you call calculations. The pi is 22 divided by 0.02810, and this goes on.
But how
Do you have the
you are
scientific calculation in your?
but how you are calculating this? The answer is 3.142.
Uh, let's take a simple example. Do it my way. Let's take a example. A circle with a diameter of 20 meters. Its
20 meters
circumference would
means
be.
just wait.
Let's
Means
take.
its
Let,
radius is 10. Okay?
wait, I'm telling. Let's assume that pi is 3. Pi
Pi
is
is
3.
3.
Then
Why
then you get.
the value of pi is fixed 3.142. Okay?
But if you do it in this way, you will get correct answer, but
But this
not
is
in
a wrong
points. Okay.
method. But this is a wrong method. By wrong
But
method, anyone can get correct answer.
no, but this formula will work also if you apply the a pi also. Do you have a scientific calculator?
I will check.
Huh?
You can show your calculator, Aryan. You are too much argument about this question. You can prove it.
I have I have written down so many pages to
So
get
many
this
things.
formula.
Yes. So you can show na. You can show why you are not so.
Sir, no, sir, if you do it in that way also, you will get the correct answers. Yes, sir.
Sorry, Pankaj, I was on mute. Yes, the value of pi is value of pi is 22 by 7, which is 3.1453. So if you simply divide 22
Hello?
by 7 using normal mathematics, you get 3.1453. Where is the confusion?
No, sir. Sir, if you
The
take
value.
pi has 3 also, you will get the correct answer.
You
If you want to get
Aryan, you
the
can't
pre.
take the
No,
Aryan, you can't
why would
take the pi equals to 3 because it is not possible.
no? What I think what Aryan is saying is, for a very quick calculation, you can take the value of 3 and later adjust the answer accordingly. So if you do a quick calculation, if
Yes,
you want to roughly
sir.
find out, say, suppose the area of a suppose the radius of a circle is 5, okay, 5 meters. What is the area of the circle? That is the question. Then what you can do is very quickly, roughly, suppose you have a mechanic who wants to apply some paint on your garden, and he wants to know the area of your garden roughly. So for a rough estimate, you can assume the value of pi is equal to 3, and then r square becomes 25. So your answer becomes 75. But we know that the answer is not correct. It has to be increased slightly, because instead of the value of pi being equal to 3.14, you had assumed it to be 3. So you come to the value of 75, and then roughly apply a 0.1 on that, which is 7.5, 10% of that. 7, that becomes 81. So roughly 81 square meter. That is the quick way to do it. I understand what Aryan is trying to say. You can roughly assume it for the time being, just for very quick calculations.
So
Yes,
and
yes. So
the
3 point.
so the circumference of circle is also get incorrect.
You don't get my point. See, what I'm trying to say is, sometimes suppose you are standing in a crowd, or there is some workman at your place who wants to know the size of your garden or the size of your lawn. You want to quickly give some estimate. It is used for estimating, quick estimation. That's all.
Okay, so
If you
then
actually,
it can solve. Yes, for estimate, then it can be solved.
yes, that's what I'm saying. Nothing else.
Okay,
You can. Do you have a calculator nearby?
I will
Not
If you
try.
me.
have, if you have one, then find. Then you take diameter of the circle, 20 meters.
You don't need
No,
any
sir.
calculators
Sir,
for that.
you need. No, sir, you don't understand my point here. Because if you do in a simple calculator of a phone,
Aryan, Deepak sir, is the Deepak sir understand your problems?
I think
What are you trying to do, Aryan? Everybody knows that the value of pi is 3.14. It is a universal constant.
sir,
What are you trying to say? Why are you insisting on pi being 3?
sir, no, sir. Sir, I have a equation that I made myself. C times D equals to A, and I'm trying to just prove it. Uh, in this
You have
way,
an equation which says what? 3 times what?
no, sir. Uh, C times D equals to A, which equals circumference times diameter equals area.
Circumference times
Times
diameter.
diameter equals area.
Yeah, because yeah, but because you are eliminating pi from the equation. So circumference is what? Circumference is 2 pi r.
Aryan,
Okay?
Yes,
Aryan, your formula can work to estimate the circle's area. Okay.
yes. It's a quick way of calculating it. No, it is a very useful way. You can get, if you have the circumference, just multiply it by diameter. You get the area.
So circumference is what? For a circle with radius r, circumference is 2 pi r. Okay?
Yes,
And
yes,
if you
sir.
multiply
Just
with
multiply.
diameter is r. No, no, hang on, 1 second. Circumference is 2 pi r. We all know that. And the diameter is 2 r. So if you multiply 2 pi r with 2 r, you get 4 r square pi, which is not pi r square. That is 4 times the thing that you're talking about. Then you have to divide by 4. What you're saying is right, that is the right approach, but you have to divide by 4. So circumference times diameter divided by 4 is area. I'll repeat. Circumference is 2 pi r and diameter is 2r. Okay? So 2 pi r multiplied by 2r is 4 pi r square. But the area is actually pi r square. Right? So you're talking about 4 times the area. So circumference multiplied by diameter is 4 times the area, not the area. Is it clear, Aryan?
Sir, I'm writing it. Uh, Yes, sir. Twenty times. Um, mm, one. Sir, I am writing right now. Sir, I have done the calculation. What we call this?
Sorry, what? Okay, let me see.
So you can see it in here also.
No, so when you say diameter is d, okay, then the circumference becomes d into 3.162, okay, and d into c becomes.
Sir, am I right?
Yeah, but area is not d into d into. See, this is where you're going wrong. Area is not d into 3.14.
That is
If d
also
is 20,
yes, sir. Area equals d times d, which equals to 400 times pi, which equals almost 1256
no, but
point.
area is not d times 3.14. Area is d times d by 2 multiplied by d by 2. Diameter, radius is half of diameter. You are missing that. And you look at your last line. You have said area is equal to d times 3.14. That is wrong. It should be d divided by 2 multiplied by d divided by 2 multiplied by 3.14. You get my point? That is the difference of 4 the factor of 4 that I was talking about. Everything else is fine, but if you divide it by 4 in the end, you'll get the
Am
correct
I right?
answer.
I'm using the different formulas, but am I right?
No, you can't change the formula, Aryan.
Yes, sir, I
You
can.
can't say area is d times pi.
Okay.
How can you say that d times pi is area? Why are you insisting on that, Aryan, unnecessarily?
Okay. Sir, the area, if we take the pi as 3, then the area would be 20 times 20, which was 400, and times 3, 1200. And the circumference would be.
You first of all, you can't take the value of pi as 3. Secondly, you can't take radius
So
as
we are just
20. Radius is 10. Hang on 1 second. Your diameter is 20. So what is your radius, Aryan? Tell me.
10.
Yes. So you should do 10 times 3.14. That is roughly equal to 314.
So no, I'm talking about the area. The area is 12, and now we will calculate the circumference, which equals to, and in the if we apply the formula, it would be 60 times 20, which equals to 1200 area. So
I'm giving up, Aryan. You are inventing your own maths.
no, sir, it is right, but
Hmm.
I have just taken an
Who
assumption,
who teaches you maths, Aryan? Where have you learned all this from?
sir, myself.
No, that is incorrect. I'm trying to tell you the right thing. You're not listening to me. See, D, look at the last line you have written. D is what? It's the diameter. It's not the radius. Okay?
Oh, yes.
So if you have to first find the radius. If diameter is 20, Aryan, tell me what will be the radius?
10.
Aryan, if 10. So 10 times 10 times 3.14. What is the final answer? 314 meters. 314 meters square. That is the area. What you have done is you have not reduced it by half. This is why you're getting a huge figure because you're squaring it. If 20 times 20 is 400, whereas 10 times 10 is just 100. That is why you're getting a much higher figure.
Okay.
Don't get confused, Aryan. For these things, just stick to the formula. Don't try to invent formulas yourself because they have come from Greek scholars. These formulas have come from Greek scholars. When you get into PhD level maths or graduation level maths, then you will be asked to prove all of these things. Then you can do that. For
Sir, then,
now, just memorize it. Just
sir,
memorize the formula.
okay, sir. But Malik sir didn't
Force,
join today.
for example, force is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration. You don't question that until you get into graduation. In graduation, there are chapters. In fact, it is even that is not accurately correct. Even things like uh, uh, the definition of force and gravity, they are correct as far as the common man is concerned, day-to-day life is concerned. But if you get into particle theory, like Malik sir was explaining the other day, uh, you'll find that there are some small approximations that Newton has assumed or Einstein has assumed. So, but for now, at this age, it is sufficient to remember that the area of a circle is pi r square, and the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Don't get confused.
Okay, sir. So there, the area is 10 of them. Yes. Okay, sir, it's time now. It's 7.
ठीक है पंकज जी, I'm dropping off. I'll try to join some of the future sessions. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So Aryan is my son, sir. Deepak sir.
Sorry.
आर्यन मेरा लड़का है, छोटा बच्चा है सर.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा. Okay. All right. Right. Good. Good. Nice knowing you.
यस सर. वो थोड़ा सा है सर, काफी सारी चीजें अपने मन से करते रहता.
नहीं नहीं, उसको बहकने मत दीजिए. अभी कंफ्यूजन दिमाग में आ जाएगा तो फिर मुश्किल हो जाएगा. ये सब चीज एकदम देखिए, रटने का मैं एडवोकेट नहीं हूँ, बट बच्चा लोग को ये जो आजकल मेरे बेटा को भी है, हाँ पापा फॉर्मूला तो मैं एग्जाम में ही डेवलप कर लूंगा. अरे तुम रट के जाओ, वहां तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं होगा ये सब करने का. तो एग्जाम रिसर्च करना एक चीज है, एग्जाम पास करना दूसरा चीज है. वहां बैठ के वो कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. एटीट्यूड मतलब ये पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल तो बहुत सिंपल है, बट वो एटीट्यूड जो है ना, right balance between
हाँ नहीं,
memorizing things and
पता है
trying
कि
to understand.
क्वेश्चन आप मतलब 3 मान सकते हो उसको, रफली क्वेश्चन फास्ट में दे सकते हो।
हाँ हाँ, एस्टिमेशन के लिए ठीक है, बट
एस्टिमेशन के लिए तो आप एकदम तुरंत करेक्ट आंसर चूज कर लोगे उसके हिसाब से।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
कोई ना, वो
तो
करते रह।
नवीन जी कहाँ पे रहते हैं आप?
मैं सर जैसलमेर में हूँ सर, इंडो पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर का एक इंडियन आर्मी के लिए रोल।
ओह, अच्छा अच्छा, अरे क्या बात।
ये आप
उधर,
सुने होंगे बॉर्डर मूवी में लौंगे वाला पोस्ट, तो वही पोस्ट संभाल रहा
हाँ अच्छा, अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात है। उधर टनल वनल तो नहीं है ना आपके रोड में?
हूँ। मेरे यहाँ टर्नल नहीं है सर, मेरे यहाँ तो मतलब
अभी तो,
सैंड्यूल्स है, उसको ब्लास्ट करके फिर रोड कटिंग करते।
ओह,
हम्म।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, अभी टनल को लेके बहुत चल रहा है इंडिया में,
हाँ वहाँ
उत्तरकाशी में।
पे थोड़ा सा क्या है कि नहीं नहीं कर लेंगे अब।
लग तो ऐसा ही रहा।
करे।
8 मीटर बचा है, 8 मीटर अगर मैनुअल ड्रिलिंग कर लेते हैं लोग तो हो जाएगा, बट उसमें भी टाइम लगेगा।
बहुत सारे चेकिंग्स होते हैं, फिर परमिशंस होते हैं, आजकल जानते नहीं है मतलब क्वालिटी से कितना खिलवाड़ हो रहा है, उसके कारण ही हुए हैं ये चीजें।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, तो आप बीआरओ के लिए काम करते हैं?
हाँ सर, हम बीआरओ से टेक ओवर लेते हैं प्रोजेक्ट, एनएचए नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया यहाँ पे कर।
तो आप एनएचएआई के हैं?
एनएचए के बिहार पे करते हैं सर, हम लोग कंसल्ट
ओह,
इंजीनियर हैं उनके।
अच्छा, नहीं तो आपका एम्प्लॉयर कौन है, बीआरओ?
नहीं, एम्प्लॉयर हमारा है थर्ड पार्टी है, सीईजी कंसल्टिंग इंजीनियर।
ओह, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा,
और हम लोग जो काम
समझ गया।
जो रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं वो NHI को करते हैं, ताकि हम उनके इंजीनियर हैं।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, तो जैसलमेर टाउन में रहते हैं आप?
अब मैं तो सिटी में रहता हूँ, हमारे काम ऑलमोस्ट उसी एरिया में चल रहे हैं।
वो तो डेली आना जाना होता है?
हाँ कुछ दिन उधर भी रहा था, कुछ दिन मतलब 1 1.5 साल ऐसा आ गया हूँ, बट 2 3 साल मैंने उधर।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, क्या काम करते हैं, आपका वर्क प्रोफाइल क्या है?
सर मैं एक हेड हूँ मैं, एक्चुअली जो भी यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट के जो भी इम्प्लाई इंगेज होंगे, सारा कुछ मैं,
ओह अच्छा
वी होंगे, सब कुछ ऐड करना, एवरीथिंग रेंज ऑफिस से लेके काउंटिंग से लेके सब कुछ एवरी।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा था कि आपका, मेरा एक भाई है, वो एलएनटी में काम कर रहा था पिछले 10 साल 15 साल से।
हाँ एलएनटी तो
हाँ
बहुत
कं-
बड़ी
हाँ,
कंपनी।
तो वो, हाँ तो वो मॉल वॉल सब बनाता था, बनाता
बिल्डिंग।
है अभी भी, मतलब उसके बाद। हाँ, तो ये अयोध्या में जो टेम्पल बन रहा है ना, उसका लास्ट असाइनमेंट वही था।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
तो लेकिन उसको एलएनटी के साथ क्या पता नहीं क्या हुआ है, एलएनटी उसको निकाल दिया कि खुद छोड़ दिया, ये अभी तक क्लियर नहीं हुआ है।
के
बट वो
वो,
नौकरी ढूंढ रहा है।
हाँ, तो सर वो अगर वो सिविल से है, सिविल ही किए होंगे तभी बिल्डिंग में काम कर रहे हैं। अगर अभी क्या राइट नाउ ना, मेनी ऑफ वर्किंग इज गोइंग ऑन इन कंस्ट्रक्शंस, लाइक रेलवे
वो,
रेलवे का रिकंस्ट्रक्शन करवा रहे हैं हम लोग अभी, तो वहां पे बिल्डिंग वाले बंदे को हम लोग हायर करते हैं।
अच्छा
तो
अच्छा अच्छा, तो इसका इसका बेसिकली ये माइनिंग में, माइनिंग के सर्वेइंग में डिप्लोमा किया था। तो
अच्छा।
पहले माइंस में ही काम करता था, फिर सर्वेइंग का जरूरत तो कंस्ट्रक्शन में भी होता है, तो ये
हाँ
कंस्ट्रक्शन में मूव कर गया।
सर्वे में काफी सारे चीज होते हैं, ऑटो होते हैं, फिर टीएस होते हैं, टोटल स्टेशन जो जीपीएस से लिंक होते हैं, तो मेनी ऑफ टाइप ऑफ वर्क।
हाँ, ये टोटल स्टेशन वगैरह का, हाँ टोटल स्टेशन वगैरह का खूब नॉलेज है उसको। तो कुछ आपका अगर वैकेंसी हो तो बताइए, मैं उसको बोलता हूँ आपसे कनेक्ट करेगा।
हाँ पंकज सर, एक बार मेरा नंबर सर को या मैं लिख देता
ठीक है, मैं ले लूंगा फोन पे। ओके।
हूँ। बट वो मेरा बेटा इज ओनली 5th स्टैंडर्ड और काफी क्यूरियस है साइंस के मामले में।
हाँ, वो तो अपरेंट है, हाँ हाँ।
वो बहुत सारी रिसर्च करते रहता है चीज अपने मन से। और करो यार, अब क्या
नहीं नहीं,
है ना चीजें सबको बच्चे।
और मुश्किल है, वही वही मैं बोल रहा था ना, हाँ। अब अगर वो कन्विंस्ड हो जाए कि उसका फॉर्मूला सही है, तो दुनिया को गलत प्रूव करने पे निकल पड़ेगा, तो बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा उसको।
नहीं, आपने
अच्छा,
बता
उसको
दिया
कितना
तो
भी समझा दीजिएगा ना।
आपने बता
है?
दिया तो वो समझ गया, अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया। एक्चुअली क्या है कि वो उसका टाइमिंग क्या होता है कि
है?
अरे सर,
वही वही वही।
वो बड़ा मुश्किल से 9 बजे ज्वाइन करता है रात को। क्या होता है कि अब रात जल्दी हो जाता है वहां पे लुधियाना में, अंधेरा हो जाता है तुरंत। अब वो
हाँ
सो
हाँ,
जाता है, मतलब 8 बजे तक उसका टाइमिंग है, डेली 8 बजे सोना, सुबह 5 बजे उठना। तो वो क्या है कि
अच्छा
बड़ा
अच्छा।
मुश्किल से 9 बजे क्लास ज्वाइन करता है, वो भी मलिक सर के इंटरेस्ट के लिए बहुत रहता है, तो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे।
अच्छा, तो मलिक सर आजकल ज्वाइन नहीं करते हैं क्या? ओहो, अच्छा अच्छा। अब वो अमरनाथ जी
हाँ,
वो ज्वाइन करते हैं? अच्छा 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 अच्छा। हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा।
हाँ, मलिक सर
मैं-
दीपावली से एक दिन पहले भी किए थे।
ओहो, हमको माफ कीजिएगा पंकज जी, मेरा बहुत ज्यादा हेक्टिक हो गया है इस बीच में, इसलिए हम नहीं कर पाते हैं। देखिए क्या होता है, मंडे टू फ्राइडे जो है ना, मैं दो क्लाइंट के लिए काम करता हूँ। एक तो यूके लंदन में है मेरा एक क्लाइंट, और एक हमको यूएस से प्रोजेक्ट मिल गया, तो वो शाम में 5 बजे मेरा शुरू होता है।
अच्छा।
मतलब यूके टाइम के हिसाब से 11 बजे रात तक चलता है। तो समझ लीजिए कि सुबह 8:30 से रात के 11 तक मैं एक पोजीशन में बैठ के काम करता हूँ, और बिल्कुल इतना मीटिंग होता है कि मेरे को एकदम बैंडविड्थ ही नहीं है किसी से बात करने का। और उसके वजह से क्या होता है कि फैमिली का सारा काम जो है, ये ठीक करना है, दीवार में एक एक नेल लगाना है, पिक्चर टांगना है, कहीं पर रिपेयर का काम है, सब हम खुद करते हैं यहाँ पे। यहाँ बहुत महंगा होता है बाहर से लोगों को मंगा के करना, वो सब काम हो गया। फिर
हम्म,
किराना का सामान, गाड़ी साफ कराना है, बाल कटाना है, मतलब कोई अंत ही नहीं है। तो सैटरडे उसमें निकल जाता है। संडे को बैठ के मैं माउथ ऑर्गन प्रैक्टिस करता रहता हूँ अपना। तो मेरा टाइम उसी में निकल जाता है। कल को ट्राई करते हैं फिर, एक बार मैसेज कर दीजिएगा पंकज जी।
ठीक है सर,
चलिए
पंकज सर, मेरा
चलिए
नंबर सर को
चलिए,
शेयर।
ओके। नो, हाँ, क्या चीज?
पंकज सर, मेरा नंबर सर को वो कर दीजिएगा, तो अगर इनका भाई के लिए कुछ रहेगा तो मैं देख लूंगा।
ठीक है ठीक है, ठीक ठीक।
ओके।
थैंक यू। चलिए बाय।